Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about the 2015 International Fire Code. So this is IFC, International Fire Code 2015. So the 2015 International Fire Code IFC set rules to keep safe distance, that is fire setback, between buildings, property lines and other structures to reduce fire risk and allow emergency access. So here is a simple overview, which is fire access road. Roads for fire trucks must be at least 20 feet wide and reach within 150 feet of any part of building. And there is building separation. The distance between building depends on the type of construction and fire safety measures like fire resistance wall. Building with less protection need more space. If there is rooftop solar system, solar panel must leave clear pathways, usually 3 feet from the roof edges or ledge, for firefighters to access. Safe distance from hazards. There are rules for keeping space between buildings and the things like trees, propane tanks, or other material that could catch fire. So I will show you rooftop solar system, how we can give fire setbacks, which is 3 feet from the roof edges or ledge for firefighter to access. So here is I have drawn one layout, and in this I will be giving fire setback, which is 3 feet from roof edges. So in this, as you can see here, this is active roof. In this, there is solar panel is placed, one junction box, one conduit, and it is properly like active roof, in which proper system is connected and electricity is flowing. So in this, how we will give the fire setback? So first of all, from the ridge here, we will give 3 feet, offset 3 feet here like this. And here you can see this is rake. So here we will give 3 feet from here, from the active roof like this. I will use fillet command over here like this and like this, and I will trim rest of the part like this, and I will hatch. I, I will lay off, lay ISO. I will select this. I will hatch this like this. I will set this in fire setback layer. I will turn on the layer like this. So here you can see this is how we can give fire setback, which is 2015. As you can see here, this one is the active roof, and we have given 3 feet from the roof edges or ridge. 3 feet from here, 3 feet from here, rake. So this is how you can give fire setback, which is IFC 2015. So I hope you find this video useful. So take care. Bye bye.